Today we'll talk about how can you add your photo profile on your app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. All you have to do is first to just click in this sign down here. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. You go above this sign here, click on it front of your name. So then it's going to show for you like this. You click in this sign. So then here can you take a photo from your camera and can you select it from your photos here. Here can you select your photos and add it on your profile. So that's all you have to do. I wish now you accurate. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.